We are Nate and Allie of Better Together Adventures, and we want to encourage you to get outside and ride. So we're getting ready to put the radiator guard onto Ilva, and this is what it looks like. And we discovered, I don't know if you can see up in there, but there's a bolt missing.
Now, I don't know if there's a bolt missing or not, because this one has a nut on the end, and I don't know if that's stuck on or if it's like welded on. That must be welded on, because if it was just stuck with bug guts or something, that would come off.
Okay.
So I'm guessing we just need to find a bolt that fits.
Well, is it supposed, because look at how it's shaped at the end here.
That's why I'm saying I don't think there's a bolt supposed to be in there.
I don't think there is a bolt.
Which is curious. That might be just like a locator pin kind of thing. So when they put the radiator at the factory, they might have, that one might just slide over a little bit of a pin to hold it in place. And then this one bolts in to secure it.
Okay.
Because there's something underneath here that...
All right, so here's a really dumb question. If something were to happen where you damage the radiator, how do you replace the radiator?
Well, you unbolt it and take it off. There's a bracket down here, bolted to your engine. And then this bolt here.
Yeah, but you just said that nut was welded on.
The nut is welded on the bracket coming off the frame.
Oh, okay, okay.
So, well, here, let me take this back out.
So does that fit inside, does that size bolt fit inside this side? I guess is what I'm...
See, this is...
Okay.
Because that's on a rubber mount. This is going to be too short to go through. See how it just sticks out?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no threads in there.
So there's no bolt supposed to be in it?
Nope, I think that's just, like I said, I think that's, I'm assuming, I mean, without taking the radiator off, I'm assuming that's just a locator pin on there.
So how are you supposed to...
I got a bunch of spare hardware. I'll find a bolt that's long enough. We just...
Make one?
Yeah.
But it's not going to damage the thing, is it?
No, you just put it on there snug, put a little Loctite on it so that it doesn't loosen. And it's also a rubber mount, so it has a little bit of squish, a little bit of give to it. And that shouldn't damage the radiator at all, because it's like a rubber mount to absorb vibration.
Okay.
So we may as well plop that back up in there.
Do we want to put these little rubby tabs on? Ooh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
I dropped them all over the place. So these are supposed to go in.
I'm assuming that we just want them on where the tank is here, on the side of the radiator.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is, the way this would match up, like this, I'm just going to put in the second row in. And then that'll hold it away from vibrating on the radiator at all. Just got to get that all the way through there. There's one. And there's 6 of them, so I'm going to do... I'll do 3 of them on each side. There's probably a trick to putting these in that I don't know about. Maybe spit on it. There we go. go. Steady, even pressure.
Lube always helps.
Oh, helps it mess. There. 1, 2, 3. Four. And the little ding, because you can't put anything on without dropping it.
Right. Because like I said, if you're not dropping stuff, you're not doing it right.
All right, one more. Eyeball the center. There. Ding, 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 ding. All right, let's get this on here. Ooh, nice. Yeah,
See?
that's a good
And
spot
it's
for
supposed
them.
to go up here.
Yep. And we'll get a bolt. Find a bolt in my stash. That'll fit in there. It'll keep rocks and other...
Debris out of my radiator.
Yeah.
All right, so we got that done. We got the hand guards on. And now we just need side cases put on. I almost forgot what they were called. We'll be back later.